my ducats! Oh, my daughter! Go on. This is what you want to see. This is what you really get a kick out of.
So there's these fantastic thoughts that are landing here. So justice is a new idea. That's just the idea of I need some justice. I'm hunting for justice. Where do I find this justice? I can find it there.
If you prick us, do we not bleed? If you tickle us, do we not laugh? If you poison us, do we not die? And if you wrong us, shall we not have revenge?
So there's a massive story there that we're telling.
You see, Shakespeare knows what gets people going.